back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. And if you're new, please subscribe, like my video, share it with your friends and family. I mean, come on, don't you want to join the Alley Cats? I think that's going to be the official name. I think. What do you guys think? We're just a bunch of rough and tumble alley cats in the alley with the other cats. So anyways, so Valentine's Day. For like 20 years of my life, I dreaded the day. I hated it. I felt that I was going to just die alone for, a good 20 years. Till I had my first boyfriend at 20 years old. Yes, don't drag me. I'm really awkward. But the first one lasted 10 years now, actually. In February 1st, it'll be 10 years. Today's video, as you can see by the title, is just a really simple Valentine's Day makeup. We're keeping it simple so you can throw it on, look super freaking cute for your date or for yourself. I love looking cute for myself. I don't know about you. I don't have to look cute for anyone else. So let's get into the video. So you guys know the drill. I'm gonna do one eye off camera and I'm gonna be right back. So here's one eye done. I think it's so super cute and glossy and just, woo! And it's so simple. Get ready for this. Get ready for this. Oh. So I obviously did my eyebrows off camera. I didn't grow these babies overnight. I wish I did. So let's just get into this look because it's so easy. So the first step is to map out how you want your line of hearts. How I do this is take a white eyeshadow and an angled liner brush and I just map out the line. So the brush I'll be using is Ring and Lock Knobber, Rockin' Nobble Wobble. I literally never remember this name. It's R&L and I just can't remember what it's called. R&L brush. BMX 498 liner brush. And I'm using a white from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. The shade Virgin. You can use any white. This is just to map it out. Now I'm trying to match up this side. But you can just kind of decide how high you want it and how high up on your lid you want it. It's going to depend on your eye shape and how much lid space you have, of course. And then once I have a line down, I put little vertical lines everywhere that I knew I was going to place a heart. I kind of looked at the width of my little hearts and then decided how far apart the little line should be. It can be helpful to mark your first line and your last line. And also, if you've already done one eye, you can count how many hearts you ended up placing so you can try and place the same amount of hearts on the other side. And I placed 8 hearts. So now I have 8 little vertical lines. Just for me, that's how many hearts that I placed on this side. So as for the little hearts, oh my gosh. I got these hearts for $1 at Target. Ah! Yes, Target, of course. And it comes in the cutest little bottle too, look. So that's all I'm using today are these little dollar hearts. That's what makes it so easy. I could have drawn on each individual heart, but like, why? So I'm going to be using a lash glue to stick the hearts down. And I'm going to be using Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Putting 1 dot of glue down at a time, right over top of the little dashes. I'm picking up the little hearts with tweezers to make it a little easier. And we're just going to repeat this process. All of the hearts have been placed. So the next step, I like to sweep away a little of that white. So I'm just going to take any brush, any clean brush, and sweep that away. Now we're going to be going into the Morphe Artistry palette. And this is just adding like a little bit of shading. Like it's very subtle over here, but I just wanted to have a little bit of a shadow. So I'm using a Luxie 111 flat angled brush. Going in very lightly with the shadow. And going right into the crease and only going about halfway into the crease, bringing it down toward my lash line, up at an angle right up underneath the hearts, all the way to the final one, getting very thin as you go toward the hearts, keeping it up high, right up underneath them. Also taking this halfway up underneath the lash line. I'm going to blend it out with nothing on the brush and just really soften those lines. And grabbing a little more product, and I'm going more at the very angle tip of the brush, and I'm going to be contouring my eye bags. You're going to be adding this beautiful glossy shimmer, and this is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in Aurora. I first apply this with my fingers and then blend it out with a brush. So I'm tapping more, keeping that in the inner half of my eye, avoiding the hearts. You don't want the oil from this product to get in with the lash glue. It could remove the hearts. I'm going to grab a little more on a brush. I'm just using a flat synthetic brush. I'm getting that in my inner corner. And blending it up around the hearts, not over top. The little product on a brush. And underneath my eye, right over top of the eye bags. I'm going to go over that with Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in How Many Carats. Using the same brush, I just kind of wipe the brush off. Really load this up on the brush, and then you're going to pat it. Don't sweep it, just pat it right over top of the eye. Right over top of everywhere that you placed the Cover FX glitter. In that inner corner. Oh, that's it for the eyes for now. We're gonna come back up to it, but first I need to even out this face because whew, a bitch is breaking out right now. My skin is rough. Rough and tumble alley cats. So I'm gonna do my usual base foundation routine, and I'm gonna be right back because I've shown this like so many times, it's boring. So now it's my favorite part. Highlighter. I will forever be like stuck in this last decade with highlighter. I love highlighter. I don't see that ending. I'm a dry bitch, and highlighter makes me look a little oily, and I like it. And I'm only going to get drier as I get older, so I'm only going to like highlighter more. I know it. I'm going to be using Nudestix Illuminaughty stick highlighter. It's a cream stick highlighter, but it doesn't disturb your foundation underneath. It's amazing. And it gives like that wet glow. Oh, so nice. To add just a little bit more of a pop though, I'm going to be going back in with the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats, because I want this to be like a super glowy look. I'm going to add a couple moles and freckles. Now I'm also going to do a video on this, so I'm not going to go into detail about what I'm doing. Next we're going to be doing the lip. So for the lip, I feel like you can go so many routes with this. Do a red lip, which is what I'm about to do, to accent the hearts. You can go nude and let your eyes be the star of the show, and I think that would also be just stunning. But yeah, I'm going to do a red lip. I should not have hit record just yet, because I'm sharpening a pencil. So first I'm going to go in with a lip liner, and this one is from Vincent Longo, and the shade is Maple. Then I'm going in with this brand that I honestly don't know what it is, and if you guys can tell me. It's called DLS. Matte lipstick. I think I got it in BoxyCharm a while ago. The shade is Phantom. I am in love with this red. Look at this freaking red. Like, oh, Oh. So now we're gonna go back up to the eyes. All I'm gonna do now is line my waterline with a white liner just to open up my eyes a little bit. I'm using the NYX Faux Whites pencil in baby powder. And then I'm gonna pop on some lashes. I'm gonna be right back. And I'm back with my lashes on. I went for Ardell Wispies. I have this whole set of different styles of wispies. I also went through and disguised my lash line with mascara and liner. Just now realizing that I didn't put bottom mascara on. So hold on. Oh, that's better. So the final thing to do is to set this mess with Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. That is the look. Ooh, I feel like a sassy bitch. Get ready for these poses. You're not ready? You're not ready? Ew. Finn, no. My cat's humping a blanket. Ew. Ew, he's almost there. Hold on. Okay, so here is the finished look. I love this. I think it's so pretty, like, and it's so easy. It's so freaking easy. I love how this came out, and I hope you guys do too. And if you do this look, oh my god, tag me. I love seeing that stuff. Like, it's amazing to see someone else do a makeup that you created. Like, oh, I hope I don't have lipstick on my teeth this time. I swear, every time I wear like any lipstick with any kind of color and not a nude, all over my teeth. Every time. Let me know in the comments below what your Valentine's Day plans are. Tell me what you guys are gonna be doing, even if you're gonna be freaking, okay? I want to know all the dirty details. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day with someone you love and care about, even if that someone is just yourself, because I hope you love and care about yourself too. Flaunt yourself, go to a restaurant, who cares if you're eating alone, go with friends. Valentine's Day, yes, absolutely, just treat yourself, treat yourself. That's actually one of my resolutions this year, is to love myself more. To stop hating on myself so much, because just know every one of these videos that I edit is really hard on me. I don't like staring at myself. I don't like hearing my own voice. When I do talk-throughs, I hope you have a wonderful holiday. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you know whenever I post. I post every Friday. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye!